She's all yours. She's way too expensive.
Hey, Kareem, I can't afford both of them. I got her mother. No, take me with you. Take me with you. I'm not ready.
Don't get phone anymore. Bye.
Hey, wait a minute. I've already got one of those. Bye. Hey.
She's too expensive. I'm leaving her here.
Hey, I said no returns.
Let's give her back. She's too expensive. Hey, don't take backsies.
She's way too expensive. You can ask that.
Hey, I said no returns or exchanges.
Expensive. Give her back.
I already have one.